बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तो आज डेट है 11 अगस्त 2020, क्लास 10 सब्जेक्ट साइंस। तो आज का टॉपिक है एडवांटेजेस ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल वेजिटेटिव प्रोपागेशन। तो वेजिटेटिव प्रोपागेशन इज़ अ मेथड ऑफ asexual reproduction in plants. It is the fastest method of growing plants as compared to grow plants by sexual methods. To grow plants by the means of seeds, it takes too much time for seeds to grow into a new plant, to develop into a mature plant, as compared to vegetative propagation. We have different methods of vegetative propagation: by grafting, by cuttings, or other methods of vegetative propagation, by tissue culture. And vegetative propagation is the fastest method of growing trees, of growing plants. From these plants we can obtain flowers, we can obtain fruits, and these plants are used for different ornament. They have different ornament values, or even they are used for medicines. Now we are going to discuss advantage of artificial vegetative propagation. What is the advantage of vegetative propagation as compared to seeds or sexual method of reproduction? The new plants produced by artificial vegetative propagation will be exactly like the parent plant. This is one of the advantages, that the offsprings or the the plants obtained by artificial propagation, they will be exactly same as the parent plant. They will be same as parent plant. The fruits, and the second one is the fruits. The fruit trees grown from cuttings or graftings start to bear fruits early. If we will sow a seed, and it will take too much time to grow into a plant, and it will take years to produce fruits. But by artificial propagation, by grafting these plants start to bear fruits as early as possible. As we carry out the grafting, in grafting the plant starts to bear fruits very soon, very early, as compared to the seeds which we sow, and it takes too much time for the seeds to grow into a complete plant. Number third is, the plants grown by vegetative propagation need less attention in their early years. In their early years, the plants grown by vegetative propagation or by grafting or any other or tissue culture, they need less attention. We are just to bring a scion and put it on stock. Just we have to take control when we are grafting. When we are grafting the scion over the stock. At that time, we have to take some care that grafting should be done accurately. After that, we have to put it as it is. As compared, when we sow seeds, we have to keep in mind that seeds need much more attention. They need good climatic conditions, warmth. They need good heat. They need moisture in the soil. They need nutrients in the soil. They need water time to time. And So the plants grown by vegetative propagation need less attention in their early years. Many plants can be grown from just one parent plants. This is the fourth advantage of plants by vegetative propagation. Many plants can be grown from just one parent plant. That is, we can also grow one plant from one seed, but here what happens, we can use a single plant for growing many plants, for getting desirable characteristics, for getting most of the advantages from new plants. And these seeds are taken from the single parent, they are taken from the single stock. And the number fifth, we can get seedless plants by modern technology, by modern techniques using in grafting, using the artificial propagation. We can get these seedless plants. Suppose we are getting banana, we are getting oranges nowadays, we are getting grapes which are without seeds, and they are having both the advantage of being without seeds, as well as they have the advantage of nutrients. They are very nutritious as well, so they give much more nutrients as compared to their parent breeds. Their parent breeds grow accordingly to their genetic characteristics as they have got from the seeds or they have got from the very beginning. But in vegetative propagation or grafting or tissue culture, we maintain the conditions necessary for its growth. We give them a healthy environment, so the plants grown have characteristics, desirable characteristics, have nutrient values, and due to nutrient values they get a good market value as well. So overall, the advantage of vegetative propagation, artificial vegetative propagation, is more than the plants grown directly from seeds, than the plants which grow naturally in the forests or in our surroundings. So talking about the about the advantage of artificial vegetative propagation, we are commercializing, it has much more commercial values, and for being much more values of commercial values, they have also a high market value, as well as a nutritious value. So overall, the advantage of artificial vegetative propagation is more as compared to the parent or the wild breed of plants. With this, we completed advantages of artificial vegetative propagation. Now we will discuss the tissue culture, how we are able to plant to develop plants by tissue culture. In tissue culture is much more easier method of vegetative propagation, and it takes only a limited space. We can provide all the nutrients to this tissue culture for growing different plants. Thank you.